Okay, so some of you guys were needing help with the calculations for the molarity and having trouble with finding the molar mass and then the conversion from grams to moles. So you have to use all three of those things on these problems. So I'm going to do a couple of examples so that if you were absent or if you just forgot once you got home to try to finish them, you have something to look on. So to start with, you need to find the molar mass for the ammonium chloride here. So you are going to need the periodic table. You guys all got one of these. Yours isn't in color, but I gave you all one of these that is in a grayscale. So first thing you're going to have to do, remember, you need to figure out how many there of each element there are in this compound. So I'll move my hand in just a second so you guys can see. So there's 1 nitrogen, 4 hydrogens, and 1 chlorine. Okay, this is Cl, not Ci. Alright, then you're going to use your periodic table and you're going to find the molar mass, or the atomic mass for each of these. So for nitrogen, you look, the atomic mass is 14.01. So we're going to put that in here. Okay, same thing. Oops. We're going to look on hydrogen. The atomic mass is 1. Excuse the bell. I tried to wait it out, it didn't work. So the atomic mass for hydrogen is 1.008. So you're going to put that in here. Okay. And then we're going to do the same thing for chlorine. Find the atomic mass for it, which is 35.45. It's a little hard to see there, but if you have yours, you'll be able to see it. Okay. Then you fill out your, go ahead and multiply those out. Okay, and once you have them multiplied out, clear up, refocus. Once you have them multiplied out, you're going to add them together to get 53.492 grams per mole. Okay? Okay, now you found the molar mass. So we now have the molar mass for ammonium chloride. Okay, so, but we're wanting the molarity of this solution. So to find the molarity, remember, molarity is moles divided by liters. Okay, so we have moles, we have the molar mass, so it's given us grams in this problem, so we need to convert this grams to moles. So we're going to take the 224.7 grams of ammonium chloride, okay, and we're going to convert that. So we know that in 1 mole of ammonium chloride, there is 53.492 grams. That's what this told us. Okay. So the grams is going to cancel out. You end up with 224.7 moles divided by 53.492. Okay? And that equals 4.2 moles. Okay? Okay, so we're still not done. So now we have moles. Remember, we're looking for molarity. So molarity is moles divided by liters. Okay, and look, your solution is in milliliters. So to make this liters, we're going to have to move that decimal 3 places to the left. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and you're going to take this 4, speed up for just a little bit. So we're going to take 4.2 moles, and then we are going to divide it by this 1.25 liters. And we get 3.36 molar solution. And this is the answer you are looking for. Okay? Okay. I want to do another one. I can get my paper set up on it. Okay. So, same thing. You need the molar mass because, let's let that focus. Okay. So we have to find the molar mass of calcium chloride because we've been given grams, and we need moles because molarity is moles divided by liters. So again, to find the molar mass, we're going to have to tell how many we have. 1 atom of calcium, and we have 2 of chlorine. Okay, and that's Cl, not Ci. Okay, again, you need your periodic table. So calcium over here has a atomic mass of 40.08. And chlorine, remember, is 35.45. So again, we're going to multiply those out. 40.08 and then 70.09, and then you add them together, okay, to get a molar mass of 110.98 grams per mole. Okay, so now that we have grams per moles, we need to convert this grams to moles. We have our molar mass. We have the molar mass, so now we can do this conversion. So you take 188.7 grams of calcium chloride, set it up. Remember, we're trying to get rid of the grams, so your grams are going to go on bottom in your conversion factor. Okay. Alright, so this cancels out. You end up with 188.7 moles divided by 110.98, which equals 1.7 moles of calcium chloride. Okay, and then we take that 1.7 moles, because molarity is moles divided by liters. So take that 170 moles and divide it by this 2 liters. And that gives you a molarity of 0.85. And that is your final answer. Okay, so that is on the side with the 2 up in the right hand corner. On the side with the 1 in that corner, I put a couple of those problems over here. So on this side, if you'll notice, it already gives you moles. So you don't need the molar mass, and you don't have to convert anything. Because remember, molarity is moles divided by liters. So we have moles. All we need are liters here. So again, to get milliliters to liters, all you have to do is move that decimal 1, 2, 3 places to the left. Okay? So you have 0.120 moles. And you're going to divide it by 1 liter to give you 0.12 molar solution. And that is your answer. Okay? Got one more here to show you guys. So again, you're already given moles and you already have liters. The camera's having trouble focusing. So you don't need the molar mass for this. You have moles, you have liters. That's all you need. You're going to take the 0.885 moles. You're going to divide it by the 0.75 liters. I had the others worked out, but I didn't do this one, so give me a sec. Bring up my calculator. 0.885 divided by 0.75. So you end up with the 1.18 molar solution. Okay, so there's you a couple of examples. If you still need help, let me know, and I will try to give you a couple more examples or try and see exactly where you're